Hey Jeremy, Travis here. I wanted to shoot this video for you just so you can get a little bit of an overview of some of the things that I do and check when I'm looking at websites and search engine optimization and everything else in between. The first thing I notice here with your website is I use built with right here, and it shows me what it's built with, and I can see it's built with GoDaddy. So GoDaddy is normally not the best website builder to use for search engine optimization purposes. Typically I use Snap or WordPress. They both have very good SEO customization tools. So GoDaddy is usually not one to go with. But the second thing here is the content on your website. So to be optimized in Google's eyes, they like to see about 1,500 words of content. So if I go ahead and copy all of your content here that's on your page, I paste it in here, and you can see you got 733 words. And I have a competitor, I'm guessing, of yours. The reason I choose these guys is because they're ranking for a lot of good keywords. If I take their content, and we can see that they have over 1,600 words. So they're hitting that point of over 15. And you're definitely going to need to add another 1,000 words on your website just to match them or at least beat them. Not only is it important just having that amount of words on your website, but it's also important for adding in keywords that the people type in Google when they're searching for your services. And I have Ahrefs pulled up here. It's a keyword research tool, but it does a lot more than that. For example, it shows like how much traffic a website gets, what keywords they're ranking for, what other websites are linking to them. So this is your website here I have pulled up. You only have 8 backlinks coming from 4 different websites. So if you did have someone doing SEO for you, I know we wrote about that in Messenger a little bit. I don't know exactly what you were paying for, but they weren't doing any backlinks for you, which is a major problem. But you can see what keywords you're ranking for here. So like a keyword like this, these are the best keywords because it has what your service is plus the location. So you can see you're ranked in the 8th spot for metal roofing, Lynchburg, Virginia. That keyword has about 30 searches per month, and that goes off of a year's worth of traffic. And with you being in 8th, they're guesstimating you get about 2 of that 30 traffic. But you're just missing a lot of keywords here that could probably be on your website. Like according to your website, you do travel to a lot of different places here. So ideally, you would want a page for each location, and then you would want to do individual keyword research for every single location. And I'll show you a little example of that here on this website I was already comparing you with. So they have location pages down here. And then Roanoke, for example. You got roofing companies Roanoke, that's a good keyword. Roofing Roanoke. So you can see that they have a dedicated page for that city, and they just put their keywords in there, Roanoke roofing experts. So I have this singular page pulled up on their website, or in Ahrefs for their website. This is their whole website, Sunvar Roofing. So you can see that they have a crap load of backlinks from a bunch of websites. And their website's ranking for 4.3 thousand keywords, and that's bringing them in over 3,000 people per month on their website. I was taking a look. They're running a blog, so some of that traffic is just for like informational purposes, which is good because it's just good to have people on your website. But the important keywords are like roofing, Lynchburg, Virginia, or whatever. But I pulled up that singular page, So this is their location page for Renoke, and these are all the keywords that they're ranking for on that single page. So roofing companies, Renoke, Virginia, it has 90 searches per month. Roofing, Renoke, Virginia, 60 searches per month. Renoke Roofing, 60 searches per month. Roofing Renoke, 50 searches per month. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing this city, by the way. These do seem to be a pretty popular company because they're ranking for keywords with their brand name in it, and it has a lot of search volume. So good for them, but all these other keywords here, they're ripe for the taking, man. Renoke Roofing companies, and so on. Roofing contractors in Renoke, roofing company, Renoke, Virginia, roof repair, Renoke. So, I mean, these are all keywords here that you should have on your website with a dedicated location page. And then you need, where are they at here? And then you need to get powerful websites to link back to your website. And that is what ultimately is going to push you up in your rankings for those keywords. So you can see here they have backlinks from like USA Today, Home Advisor, MapQuest, Proven Expert, Yellow Pages. All of these are different. Chamber of Commerce, that's always a good one to get. So essentially, you know, could go in there and try to get a lot of these same backlinks that they get. So essentially, man, it looks like, you know, you need a lot more content on your website here. You need some location pages for the areas that you do service that we can find good search volume for. Create good content for those pages. Add in the keywords that people are using to look for your services. And then, yeah, you need a bunch of backlinks, good backlinks, and that'll help power you up like these guys' website right here. So you can see it's definitely doable. A lot of times you try to get a lot of these same backlinks that these guys are getting. But, you know, I do also have my own source of powerful backlinks that I'm not able to get from here. But yeah, I look forward to speaking with you tomorrow. We can kind of jump into your business and do a little deep dive and kind of see where you're at. And, you know, typically one of three things that happen, you know, if we see it's a good fit and appropriate to do so, we'll book another time to chat within these next couple days after tomorrow and go across the how in a Zoom and, you know, see if we can actually build out a little bit of a plan. Two, if we see that it's a good fit, but right now is not the right time for you, you know, we can identify when a better time is to reconnect. And, you know, just give you guidance and do the best we can between now and then so that you're on track to get your website pumping and, you know, start landing predictable sales and consistent leads. Or three, sometimes, you know, we identify these problems aren't problems that we can help with. But I do know a lot of people in the industry, so we may be able to introduce you to someone that we know that might be a better fit and that can help you through this stuff. But either way, super excited to catch up with you tomorrow, and I'll speak with you tomorrow at 11. Have a good day.